Hi Algebra 1 students, Mr. A here, and I'm just going to show you real quickly how to use the Lin Reg Visual App in order to do linear regressions for our current topic. Now, you can find the Lin Reg Visual App in the app portal. Unfortunately, it's not in my app portal because I have a teacher status and I don't have access to it there. But I'm going to show you what the icon looks like. It's right here, the top left corner of this group, you'll see it says Lin Reg Visual. So if you search for this app in your app portal, you should be able to obtain the app and install it on your iPad. Once you do that, it's going to look just like this, all right? And I want to take you through what you see here before I start constructing a scatter plot and analyzing the data from it. So we're going to start on the top left side of the screen. This is where you add your data points. You're just going to add these as ordered pairs. On the bottom, it'll create the graph, and it'll consistently change the graph as you add more data points. It'll automatically also sketch for you the line of best fit, and it'll constantly update what the line looks like as you continue to add more data points. The most important information, though, is over here on the right side. You might notice at the top of the right side box, underneath where it says linear regression line, it has an equation. It says y equals a plus bx. For this app, the value of b is the slope of the line. Now, usually in class, we say that b is the y-intercept of the line, but for this particular app, they chose the variable b to represent the slope. And you can see that description farther down on the right box there, where it starts talking about the different variables and what they represent and that kind of thing. A for this particular form is the y-intercept. So when you're trying to report your equation of line of best fit using linear regression and using this app, you're going to write it using b as the slope and a as the y-intercept. So when you see those values in your equation, you'll be able to know what those are. The only other value that we're interested in from this app is the value r, the correlation coefficient, and again, that's a statistic that describes how strong or weak of a correlation the data has as it gets closer to -1 or closer to +1. The closer to either one of those extremities, the stronger the correlation. Either a positive correlation if it's closer to +1, or a negative correlation if it's closer to -1. So I'm not going to demonstrate how to do this. I'm just going to pick some ordered pairs at random and just put them in, and I will show you then how it automatically plots the points and creates your scatter plot. Also then will calculate the equation of the line of best fit. All right, so I'm going to tap on Add Data Point. And I'm just going to add some coordinates. We'll do 3, 7 for the first one. Okay, I'm going to add data point again. Okay, and then we'll do 2, 8, and as you can see now my graph is being created because now I have 2 points. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add another one here. We'll do 4, 9, 9. Okay, and then we'll do 1, 3. And as you can see, it's getting constructed here as we add more information. 5, and then let's do 8, 11, and you can scroll down if you need to. You can scroll and find the Add Data Point button. And we'll do one more. Let's do 6, and we'll do 4. Okay, hit return. There's your scatter plot. There's the line of best fit there in blue. If you look over on the right side, you will see that the equation is y equals 4.56 plus 0.52x. And that means that the slope then is 0.52, or very close to 1/2. The y-intercept is 4.56, or really close to 4.5. And then if you scroll down about 2/3 of the way, you'll see the value of r on the right side. And r for this scatter plot is 0.44, which indicates that there is a very weak positive correlation with this data, but not a very strong one, because that number is way far off from +1. So that's how you use the app. If you want to delete an ordered pair, just hit delete in the table at the top there, next to the order pair you want to delete. And that's how that's how you can use this app to perform linear regressions and get the equations of lines of best fit for the class. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and good luck.